Now that we've created a route between our two tanks, let's look at creating a bit more complex pattern with our 3D sketching knowledge. Our first step is going to be creating a new route again. However, this time we're going to do it a little bit differently. Your first step is going to be coming up to this gear at the top, selecting it, which is your options, and coming over to the left and selecting routing. Now, what you're going to need to do is check this top box, which is automatically route on drop of fittings and connectors. This will allow our route to automatically start whenever we drop a flange in. And this will save us a lot of time when we're trying to add a lot of flanges, start a lot of routes, and just save us a couple extra clicks. So we're going to select OK. Now we're going to come over to the flange and click and drag that onto our tank. Once we select our configuration, you'll see that the route properties automatically comes up and our route is automatically started. So go ahead and click the OK, and we're going to save this document. And now we have started our route. We are now in 3D sketching mode. So using the same tools as earlier, we're going to be switching between planes using tab and can draw our path that we want our pipe to follow. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and select line to be able to start inserting a line. And I'm going to click, and you can see the plane that I'm currently on is the one that has these two red arrows here. I'm going to drag a line over this far, click, and you'll see that the pipe is automatically added along with the elbow over on the corner. Now, if I wanted to switch between the planes, just like in the 3D sketch we did earlier, I'm going to select tab, and now I can draw in this direction. And you'll see we've sketched in 3 dimensions instead of 2. So now let's keep adding a few more in different directions. And then you can spin around and take a look at your design. Now, you can also, just like before, when we were in the individual sketch, go up to Window, select Viewport, for View, and see both the trimetric as well as the additional views, the front, left, top, and zoom in and get a better idea of exactly how this 3D sketch looks. And you can also sketch in this mode, so you can go up to your line, click in any of the views, and then create a line that is now being drawn, which you can see in the trimetric and in the front view. Now I'm going to select Escape to get out of our sketch, and I'm going to go up to Window, Viewport, Single View to get it back to normal, but feel free to switch back over to that whenever you feel more comfortable if it helps you with your sketching process. So I'm going to go ahead and select Out, and now you can see our completed tube. So you should be more comfortable with creating routes now, so let's move on to adding fittings to these pipes.